Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine arriving in Los Angeles where sunshine, palm-lined streets, and architectural ambition collide in a way no other city in the world can match. Today, we're exploring what $9 million can buy you in Los Angeles, a city where luxury is not just about size, but about lifestyle, location, and the story a home tells. From the moment you pull up behind private gates, you begin to understand that in this price range, homes are designed to impress quietly, confidently, and effortlessly. As the gates glide open, a long, beautifully landscaped driveway sets the tone. Mature olive trees, sculpted hedges, and soft exterior lighting guide you toward a residence that feels both modern and timeless. The facade often blends clean architectural lines with natural materials like stone, wood, and expansive glass, creating a home that feels grounded yet striking. In Los Angeles, $9 million typically places you in some of the city's most desirable neighborhoods, such as Beverly Hills, Bel Air, Brentwood, Pacific Palisades, or the Hollywood Hills, where privacy and prestige go hand in hand. Step inside, and the first impression is all about volume and light. Soaring ceilings, often double height, immediately create a sense of openness. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls blur the line between indoors and outdoors, a signature of Los Angeles living. Natural light pours in from every angle, reflecting off wide, blank oak floors and carefully selected stone surfaces. The entry feels more like a gallery than a hallway, designed to showcase art, sculpture, or a dramatic floating staircase that becomes a centerpiece in itself. Moving into the main living area, the space unfolds seamlessly. In this price range, open, plan living is executed at the highest level with distinct zones that still feel connected. The living room is expansive, anchored by a custom fireplace clad in marble or textured stone. Built-in shelving, subtle lighting, and minimalist finishes allow the architecture to shine without overwhelming the senses. Oversized sliding glass doors retract completely, opening the room to a terrace or backyard and creating an effortless indoor-out door flow that defines luxury living in Southern California. The kitchen is where $9 million truly begins to show its value. This is not just a place to cook, but a design statement and a social hub. Custom cabinetry, often imported or handcrafted, pairs beautifully with matched marble or quartzite countertops. A massive island becomes the heart of the space, perfect for casual breakfasts, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying a glass of wine while the sun sets. Professional, grade appliances from brands like Wolf, Sub-Zero, or Miele are seamlessly integrated, offering both performance and aesthetic appeal. Walk-in pantries, secondary prep kitchens, and hidden storage ensure everything stays clean and uncluttered. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area feels equally refined. Whether it's a formal dining room with a statement chandelier or a more relaxed space that opens directly to an outdoor dining terrace, the emphasis is on connection. Large windows frame views of the surrounding landscape, city lights, or ocean horizons, depending on the neighborhood. In Los Angeles, dining is rarely confined to one space, and homes at this level are designed to host everything from intimate dinners to large-scale celebrations. As you continue through the home, the attention to detail becomes impossible to ignore. Hallways are wide and gallery-like, often illuminated by skylights or recessed lighting that highlights curated artwork. Smart home technology is seamlessly integrated throughout, allowing lighting, climate, security, and entertainment systems to be controlled effortlessly from a phone or tablet. This level of luxury is about convenience as much as beauty, ensuring the home adapts to your lifestyle rather than the other way around. The primary suite is where the home truly becomes a sanctuary. Generously proportioned and positioned for maximum privacy, the bedroom often features its own private terrace or balcony, offering morning sunlight and evening views. The space feels calm and intentional, with soft textures, neutral tones, and a layout designed for rest and relaxation. Floor-to-ceiling glass once again plays a starring role, connecting the interior to nature and reinforcing that unmistakable Los Angeles vibe. Step into the primary bathroom, and it feels more like a five-star spa than a residential space. Large format stone slabs line the walls and floors, creating a seamless, luxurious look. A freestanding soaking tub is positioned to take advantage of views, while a walk-in shower features rainfall shower heads, body sprays, and frameless glass. Dual vanities with custom cabinetry, integrated lighting, and premium fixtures elevate the experience further. Heated floors, towel warmers, and smart mirrors add layers of comfort that make everyday routines feel indulgent. The walk-in closet rivals those found in luxury boutiques. Custom, built shelving, drawers, and display areas ensure every item has its place. Soft lighting, full-length mirrors, and even seating areas transform the closet into a personal dressing room. In many $9 million homes, there may even be separate his and hers closets, each tailored to individual needs. Guest suites throughout the home are far from ordinary. Each bedroom is generously sized, with its own ensuite bathroom and thoughtful design touches. High ceilings, large windows, and premium finishes ensure guests experience the same level of comfort as the homeowners. These rooms can easily double as offices, studios, or wellness spaces, reflecting the flexible lifestyle that Los Angeles properties often accommodate. Entertainment is a major focus at this price point, and homes in Los Angeles deliver in spectacular fashion. A dedicated home theater is a common feature, complete with tiered seating, acoustic wall treatments, and state-of-the-art audiovisual systems. Whether you're hosting a private movie night or watching the latest blockbuster, the experience rivals that of a commercial cinema, all from the comfort of home. Beyond the theater, additional amenities elevate the lifestyle even further. A temperature-controlled wine cellar displays an impressive collection while keeping bottles perfectly preserved. A custom bar or lounge area becomes the ideal spot for entertaining, often featuring backlit shelving, stone countertops, and seamless indoor-outdoor connectivity. Some homes include game rooms, music studios, or private libraries, each designed with the same attention to detail as the main living spaces. Step outside, and the true magic of Los Angeles living comes alive. Outdoor spaces are not an afterthought here. They are an extension of the home itself. A resort-style swimming pool often takes center stage, with clean lines, infinity edges, or dramatic water features. Surrounding the pool, sun loungers, shaded cabanas, and fire pits create multiple areas to relax and entertain throughout the day and evening. Outdoor kitchens are fully equipped, featuring built-in grills, pizza ovens, refrigerators, and ample counter space for hosting gatherings. Dining under the open sky becomes a daily ritual, whether it's a casual lunch or a sophisticated evening event. Landscaped gardens provide both beauty and privacy, with carefully selected plants and trees that thrive in the Southern California climate. In hillside neighborhoods, the views are nothing short of breathtaking. From these vantage points, $9 million can buy you sweeping panoramas of the city skyline, rolling canyons, or even the Pacific Ocean. At night, the city lights transform the landscape into a sparkling backdrop, making every evening feel cinematic. These views are a major part of the home's value, offering a sense of escape while still being minutes from world-class dining, shopping, and entertainment. Wellness is another key element of luxury living in Los Angeles. Many homes at this level include private gyms outfitted with professional-grade equipment, yoga studios with serene garden views, or spa rooms designed for massage and relaxation. Some properties even feature saunas, steam rooms, or cold plunge pools, allowing homeowners to enjoy a complete wellness experience without ever leaving their property. Practicality is seamlessly woven into the luxury. Large garages accommodate multiple vehicles, often with space for car lifts or electric vehicle charging stations. Mudrooms, laundry rooms with dual washers and dryers, and staff quarters ensure the home functions smoothly behind the scenes. Security systems, including gated entrances, surveillance cameras, and smart locks, provide peace of mind without feeling intrusive. What truly sets a $9 million home in Los Angeles apart is the lifestyle it offers. This is a city where you can wake up to sunshine, enjoy breakfast on a terrace, work from a beautifully designed office, and end the day watching the sunset over the hills or ocean. The home becomes a private retreat that still keeps you connected to everything the city has to offer. In Beverly Hills, $9 million might buy you a newly constructed contemporary estate tucked away behind lush hedges, offering ultimate privacy just minutes from Rodeo Drive. In the Hollywood Hills, it could mean a dramatic architectural home perched above the city, designed to maximize views and create a bold visual statement. In Pacific Palisades, the same budget might secure a refined coastal residence with ocean breezes and a relaxed, upscale atmosphere. No matter the neighborhood, craftsmanship is a defining feature. Every surface, fixture, and finish is carefully selected to create a cohesive design. Architects and designers collaborate to ensure the home feels intentional, balanced, and timeless. This level of quality ensures that the property not only looks stunning today, but will continue to feel relevant and desirable for years to come. Ultimately, what $9 million buys you in Los Angeles is more than just a house. It buys you space, privacy, and an elevated way of living. It buys you mornings filled with natural light, afternoons spent by the pool, and evenings overlooking one of the most iconic cities in the world. It's a lifestyle shaped by comfort, beauty, and the effortless luxury that Los Angeles does better than anywhere else. As you take one last look around, it becomes clear that this is not simply real estate, but an experience. Every detail is designed to enhance daily life, from the way light moves through the rooms to how seamlessly the home connects with its surroundings. This is what $9 million can buy you in Los Angeles: a private sanctuary, a statement of success, and a place where luxury feels both inspiring and livable every single day.